Dear students, welcome to Construction Practice Laboratory. Study of construction of 1.5 thick brick wall in English bond to a height of 1 meter in cement mortar. And experiment number 5. Brick masonry. Brick is regular in shape and of size that can conveniently handle with one hand. Brick makes of burnt clay or mixture of sand and lime, or fly ash, lime and sand, or of Portland cement concrete. A brick is also known as building material used to make walls, pavements and other elements in masonry construction. Bricks are laid in courses and numerous patterns known as bonds, collectively known as brickwork. General features of bricks. A brick is a compression member. A brick is made from clay. A brick structure generally known as masonry structures where individual bricks bonded together with mortar. Brick dimensions. The nominal dimensions of the brick is 19 cm by 19 cm by 9 cm. Nominal size is precocious dimensions which is considered in evaluating the quality of brickwork. It represents either the actual dimensions nor the overall thickness. Types of bricks in brickworks. Solid bricks, perforated bricks, hollow bricks, cellular bricks. Solid bricks. In solid bricks, small holes not exceeding 25% of the volume of brick are permitted. Alternatively, frogs not exceeding 20% of the total volume of bricks are permitted. Perforated bricks. Small holes may exceed 25% of the total volume of the brick. In case of hollow brick, the total volume of holes, which need not be small, may need 25% of the total volume of the brick. Cellular bricks. Holes closer at the end exceed 20% of the volume. On field properties, clay bricks are classified as first class, second class, third class and fourth class based on their physical and mechanical properties. First class bricks, second class bricks, third class bricks, fourth class bricks. On the basis of manufacture, bricks are classified as handmade bricks, machine made bricks. So, types of bonds in brickworks. We are using English bond and Flemish bond in this experiment. So English bond means alternate courses of header and stretcher. Flemish bond means each course contain alternate header and stretcher. In case of header bond, all the bricks are laid as headers. In case of stretcher bond, all the bricks are laid as stretchers. Material required to build a brick wall. So to construct a brick wall, we need the materials bricks, cement, sand, gravel and water. The tools required to construct a masonry wall are bubble level, tri-square, pegs, arrows, level tube, shovel, pan, plumb bob, trowel, spade, hook level, tape, hammer, stiff brush. General principles to be observed in brick masonry construction are: use good quality of bricks, means uniform in color, well burnt bricks, exact shape and exact size. Before using brick, it should be soaked in water for 2 hours so that bricks do not absorb water from the mortar. Brick should be laid with frog pointing upward. Always you lay the bricks frog pointing upward. Construction of brick wall should be start from either at a joint or at a corner. Verticality of wall should be ensured by frequently checking using plumb bob. If work is stopped at a place but it is intended to continue the next day, That place should be left with a toothed end. In fixing old doors and windows, old fasts are fixed and embedded in brick masonry with cement mortar or concrete at the time of constructing the wall itself. After construction of wall, the wall is cured for 2 weeks. So these are the images of the materials and tools required for brick wall construction. So sand, cement, bricks, and the tools are spirit level, trowel, spade, plumb bob, tri-square, mortar born, tape. Experimental procedure for construction of masonry wall in cement water. The general procedure is digging around, means excavating the ground to a required depth. After, lay the footing, pour the concrete into trench and push it down with post to get rid of air pockets. Lay the bricks, place bricks at either end of the footing. Check the level of the bricks and hook a line so that completing the course. Keep a check of level using bubble or spirit level every time. So different systems of bonding used in construction masonry or English bond, double premise bond, single premise bond, heading, stretcher bond, rat trap bond, garden wall bond. The mainly we are discussing in this topic is header bond, stretcher bond and English bond as shown in the image. English bond, the facing bricks laid in alternate courses of headers and stretchers. Queen clothes are inserted next to queen headers to produce overlap. English bond is the strongest bond. It avoids continuous vertical joints. So the disadvantage of using English bond is penetration of mortar damp through transverse joints. So appearance is not as good as Flemish bond. These are the two disadvantages. So we will go to experiment number 5, how to construct a wall. That is aim of the experiment to construct right angle corner wall of 1½ thick wall, brick wall in English bond. Tools required: trowels, mason square, straight edge, plumb bob, line and tape and spirit level. Procedure. We will discuss one by one step. At first, the ground was made level, then the bricks are saturated in water to prevent the absorption of moisture from the mortar. The required quantity of mortar was prepared by manual mixing. Then the first course of bond was arranged on the level ground to a required length. To a required length, we are make a course of arrangement of bricks. The corner end of this and the sides of are checked by using mason square. The corner and the sides are checked by using mason square and straight edge. We are using straight edge and mason square and check the straight line of corner and the length sides. Then the mortar was placed over the bricks by using trowel. Using trowel, after placing the bricks, the mortar is poured on the bricks. Then second course was placed over the first course. The brickwork should be carried out as per line and level by checking the verticality and the sides corners of the wall using spirit level. We will check the work as carried by as per the line and level. The vertical face was checked by means of plumb bob and the level was checked by means of spirit level. This process is repeated till the completion of the entire work. So the result of the experiment is we are constructed conjugative layer of the 1.5 thick brick wall in English bond to a height is constructed. Conclusion of this experiment. Therefore, we are seeing that the manner of overlapping bricks of construction of wall is called brick bond. Many types of bond are used in different types for construction of brick walls. For brick pillar, good brick bonds can ensure the strength of building and aesthetic beauty of brick. Brick pillars and entire brick works depends on the quality of bonds. Thus, bonding a brickwork is of utmost importance. Reference books for this experiment is a textbook of building construction by Bindra and Arora, and a textbook of building construction by Sushil Kumar, and a textbook of structural design and drawing by Singh, a textbook of practical building construction by Mantri, and also we can refer online sources. We have framed multiple choice questions on these experiments as shown here. We have framed about 10 questions, and we will discuss the answer, and we will give any answer for those MCQ questions. So thank you all.